This is subject Ethics Maritime. My name is Cadet Midshipman Caballero. My topic is GR 22430 August 20 August 30, 2017. 22430 is a case decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines involving the people of the Philippines as plaintiffs and former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo as a defendant. The case involved plunder charged against Arroyo in connection with the alleged misuse of funds from the Philippines Charity Sweep, Sweepstakes Office (PCSO). In this case, the Supreme Court granted Arroyo's motion to waive evidence effective, dismiss the plunder charge against her due to insufficient evidence on the part of the prosecution. The court ruled that the evidence did not suffice, su- sufficiently establish that Arroyo cons- conspired to commit plunder or that she amassed ill-gotten wealth amount to at least 50 million as. This decision is significant because it allows for Arroyo's release and underscores the s- sufficient evidence in criminal prosecution, especially in cases involving high-ranking individuals and serious. The only question that arises in the appeal from the judgment of the trial court is whether the appointment and holding of the post of secret agent to provincial governor constitute a significant defense against criminal prosecution for the crime of illegal possession of firearms and ammunition. The accused in this case indicate for the above above mentioned offense in an information dated August 14, 1962, which read as follows: Acquisition lacking scale Mario Mapa Y Mapulong. Violation Article 878 in relation to Section 2692 of the Revised Administrative Code Act as amended by Commonwealth Act Number 4, pleading as a follow that on or about August 13, 1962 in the city of Manila, Philippines, the accused did knowledge, train and fully possess and control a homemade 22 without serial number with 6 cartridge without first obtaining the necessary license or permit for this purpose from the component authority. When the case was called for trial of September 3, 1963, the trial court immediately asked the defense attorney can the attorney state that the defendant was found in possession of a firearm in this case and did not have a license to possess it.